Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the process of replacing the battery in your Boss Contemporary Sport Trophy watch. To get started smoothly, make sure you have two essential tools within reach: a case back opener and a pair of tweezers. Let's jump right in. To begin, adjust the case back opener tool to match the diameter of the watch back plate. Then, gently rotate it counterclockwise to release the back plate slightly. Use the tweezers to completely unscrew the back plate. Remove the back plate and the gasket ring with the tweezers. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, gently remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Ensure the gasket ring is placed to its original position. Use the tweezers to screw clockwise the back plate. Before closing the case finally, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Twist with the case back opener tool in a clockwise direction until it is sealed tightly. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.